Hello everyone, my name is Juan Daniel Lozano, and today I'm going to talk about negative or positive externalities using a real-world example to illustrate how externalities can lead to inefficient market outcomes and propose a viable solution for this specific externality. So first of all, we need to take into account the concept of externalities. So an externality is a cost or benefit caused by an economic actor that is not suffered or enjoyed by that same actor. And we have the positive externalities, which is a benefit received or transferred to a party as an indirect effect of the transaction of another party. And the negative externalities is the imposition of a cost on a party as an indirect effect of the actions of another party. Now that we know the concept of externality, we are going to talk about a real world example. So in this scenario, we have a factory produces plastic bottle for beverage. In the process, it emits pollutants such as chemical waste and CO2 into the air and water, negatively affecting nearby communities. The externality is that the factory pollutes local rivers with untreated chemical waste, which harms aquatic life and the and the water supply for nearby towns. Additionally, the CO2 emissions contribute to air pollution, worsening respiratory conditions in the population and adding the global climate change. As an economic impact, we have the factory produces more plastic bottles than is socially optimal because it doesn't account for the environment cost of pollution. This overproduction reduces total social welfare by increasing healthcare costs, environmental damage, and loss of biodiversity. As a solution, we have the pollution tax, also called a Picopian tax, which is a government imposes a tax based on the amount of chemical waste dumped into rivers and CO2 emissions from the factory. The goal of this tax is to force the factory to internalize the environmental damage it causes, such as water contamination and air pollution. As an outcome, we have the factory will either reduce the production of plastic bottles or invest in cleaner technologies, such as, for example, installing water treatment systems to reduce chemical waste in rivers or switching to renewable energy resources or sources to lower CO2 emissions. As a result, we have less pollution, improved public health, and the production aligned with socially optimal levels, improving overall welfare of for the community and the environment. Thanks, that was my video. Hope you like it and see you in the next one.